So here we're showing you how to use your squeegee with the new swivel movement. As you can see, the smooth movement as you're fanning down the glass like that. No real restrictions, no particular way to use it, and it's ergonomic to hold. As you can see, there's no sort of twisting and contorting your body to make your squeegee work. It's just a matter of twisting your wrist, if you like. As you can see, it's quite easy to do. Fans very easily. As you can see, we're fanning off to one side. It makes it much easier. Now the big test is we've got a 24-inch wide body channel, and we're going to use it too, and it's always hard to try to manoeuvre a big channel on a small piece of glass, but as you can see, this works perfectly. Try it on this little bit of glass. Of course, these go quite well on shop fronts as well, but you can use much bigger squeegees with this swivel movement and use it easily. And just do this one. So I believe this is going to be the swivel of the future. It's a swivel, not a pivotal tool. And I suppose, well, that's about it.